Stand in front of a mirror. Open your application. The application is intuitive and will guide you. Press the Start Scan button and follow the instructions. Unmute your phone and follow the on-screen instructions. Place your phone into the phone support. Insert your cheek retractor tube into the phone support. You will hear a click when your phone support is properly attached to your retractor. Hold your ScanBox with one hand on the phone and the other hand holding the tube. Insert one side first, then the other. Your teeth and gums should be fully visible without causing discomfort. Make sure your teeth are in the center of the camera screen. If not, you may need to adjust the position of your phone by sliding it for vertical adjustment. During the scan, audio instructions will guide you through the steps. For this step, bite down on your back teeth and keep your teeth together. Let's go! Double tap on the screen to start the scan. Shift the ScanBox to one side as soon as you hear the camera make a sound. Now shift the ScanBox to the other side. Scan all the way to the side to make sure your back teeth are well seen. Back to the center. Make sure you move the ScanBox at the same rate as the progress bar. If you need to restart the current step, simply press the Restart button. For this next step, you'll have to keep your teeth slightly apart and scan side to side. Double tap to continue. Open your mouth just enough for your tongue to fit in between your teeth. For this next step, you'll have to open wide and scan up and down. Double tap to continue. Tilt the ScanBox up. Tilt all the way up until you can see the whole biting surface of your teeth. You can also tilt your head slightly in the opposite direction if that is easier. Now tilt the ScanBox down. Back to the front. Take the cheek retractor tube out of your mouth and remove it from the phone support by holding the phone support in place and pulling the cheek retractor tube forward. Take the time to review your pictures. If your pictures do not follow the on-screen instructions, you can simply retake them. Once all your pictures have been validated, you can send your scan. That's it! Now it's your turn to try out your first scan.